So before this video gets started, if you're interested in signing up to be an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to get a sign up bonus, go ahead and use the links in the description below to sign up. Or if you signed up for Uber and forgot to use a referral code when you did sign up, you can still get your referral bonus if you use the instructions down below in the description. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the greatest rideshare YouTube channel in the world, the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, thanks so much for coming by. So today's video, I'm gonna be making this, I wanna make this video pretty short. I'm gonna do a two-part video. It's all gonna be one video, but the first part, I'm gonna be going over this way. This video is not sponsored at all. I'm not being paid for this at all. I haven't talked to this company. I'm just showing you guys how to get free gas. I don't know how this is even possible, but it is right now. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but you can actually get free gas. I'm gonna show you how I get free gas, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to get free gas as well. So yeah, let me just sync up my computer here really quick so you guys can follow along with me. I think we're good to go. Boom, let's try this out. Okay, so this is the app. Okay, so yeah, the first part, I'm gonna go over the app here, and then I'm gonna open it up on my phone and show you guys exactly how it works. So this is the app here. It's called GetUpside. Really quickly, unbeatable deals on gas, groceries, restaurants. We're focusing on gas now. Save up to 25 cents a gallon. So yeah, this actually isn't that important. So it's in Texas, East Coast, Florida. It's all over like South and East Coast, but I'm actually in the West Coast, and I'm still gonna show you how this works for me. So yeah, basically what they do, I believe, is, like I said, I haven't talked to the company, but from my experience, just my business background, I think that they have partnerships with gas stations and as well as grocery stores and restaurants, but for this, we're talking about gas. I think they have partnerships with gas stations, and so basically when you go to fill up gas, you get money off per gallon. But what we're also gonna be talking about is the referral program that they have, because I'm gonna go over the numbers, but if you refer like just a couple of friends to sign up for this, and you know, they're also gonna get 25 cents off per gallon, you're gonna get part of that applied to your account. So like I said, we're gonna go through that. That's the second part of the video. But yeah, oh yeah, I'm gonna use my link down below so you can get you know, your 25 cents off per gallon if you use my link. And then you can start referring people when you use my link in the description. See what people are saying about GetUpside. I'm up to 36 bucks after 4 months. That is not, we can make way more than that. Awesome, it's free money, yep. Well designed, okay, blah, blah, blah. What's the deal? GetUpside partners with local businesses. That's exactly what I thought. Who want to win you over with great deals. Up to 25 cents back per gallon, 25 cents per gallon cashback on gas at 5,000 gas stations. Texas, Florida, DC, Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, North Carolina, South Carolina, New York, blah, blah, blah. All these big places. Even if you're not in these areas, guys, you can still sign up. And you can get the money from the referrals, which is the most important part. And then you can use that money to get your gas. And all of the people you know can do it as well. It's like a gas thing. If you want, you can do the groceries and the restaurants too. I'm just doing it for gas because I think it's easier. So all you do is you claim your offer, you know, use my link, pay with a credit or debit card, you know, whatever, you know. And then you snap a photo of your receipt. It's super easy, and then you get money back, and then you can use that money to pay for your next time that you fill up, and you're gonna start getting free gas. It's crazy insane. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. maybe gas stations. So yeah, I think that's it. Earn a real cash back. This is like a small company, and if you guys don't know, like a lot of small companies, yeah, they're in a lot of places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 states. Well, I guess Washington, D.C., I don't think it's technically a state. 8 states plus D.C. And yeah, I think that's it. Oh yeah, like I was saying, it is a new company, new startup. As you can see, 2019. So what you got, if you guys don't know, they're actually based in DC. But if you guys don't know, new companies, they spend a lot of money to get new users. Like they have they have customer acquisition costs and stuff. I'm just gonna say what's up to these people. And they spend a lot of money like getting new customers. So this is their way of saying like, okay, this is how we're gonna get new customers. And most people don't know this, but you can get free gas through this. So I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna pause this really quick, and then I'll be back to you in a second with my phone. I'm gonna go through the app on my phone and show you how it works. All right guys, so I just opened up my phone here, and I am going to open up, here it is, the GetUpside app. So I'm not gonna show you my location where I am, but basically click on gas here. Oh yeah, so basically what you wanna do is you wanna click on the bottom right, free gas, if you can see there. And then as you can see, this is my network. So I've earned $8 from my network. I've referred like 70 people, which really easy, but this is the really important part. Click on free gas. 1 cent every time your friend buys gas, and then 15 cents when the first time they fill up. So you're getting 15 cents on their first fill up. So like say they do 10 gallons, right? You're getting $1.50 back for 10 gallons, and then per gallon. So yeah, that's per gallon. So in here, it's like gas is like $3 a gallon. So all I have to do is refer 2 people, 2 friends to sign up, and I'm gonna get $3 back per gallon on their, if they, you know, do like 10 gallons or whatever. And then afterwards, like those 1 cent gallons, like it's crazy. It's paying for my gas. So as you can see right here in the middle, like I can't show you, but like it says $3.05 a gallon. I'm getting that much money off of my next fill up. And it's like, I think it's up to like 50 gallons or something. So yeah, I can get $3 back per gallon. And here, that's how much it costs. I don't know where you guys are. Maybe it might be a little bit more. Maybe you might need to refer like 3 people. But yeah, it's pretty nuts. This is how I get free gas, and this is also how you can get free gas. If you want to use my link in the description, you can do it. Refer a couple people, refer your friends. You know, who doesn't want free gas? Gas is so expensive. So when you're driving Uber, Lyft, food delivery, whatever you're doing, gas is one of 3 expenses you have. The first expense is gas, the second is maintenance, wear and tear, and then the third is depreciation on your car. These are the 3 expenses that you accrue when you're driving. Maybe number 4 is if you get a ticket, or like whatever, any speeding tickets or parking tickets, because I know some of you guys out there are racers out there. But yeah guys, that's it. If you want to, you know, now you only have 2 expenses. And if you rent a car, if you're renting a car for Uber and Lyft, you have 0 expenses. You're all profiting because you're not paying for gas, you're not paying for wear and tear in your car, and you're not paying depreciation if you're renting. And then if you're using GetUpside, free gas. All right guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I just want to get this video out and show you more how it works. I did make a previous video a couple weeks ago, but this is like follow-up now that I'm using it more. Anyways, I definitely recommend it. Again, this video is not sponsored at all. GetUpside, if you are watching this, you do want to do a sponsorship, let's talk. If not, Who cares? You're already giving me free gas. That's good enough for me. You guys are the best. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video on Uber and Lyft. Food delivery. We'll see you all next time. All right, bye guys.